Okay, hi guys, and welcome to the Chris Collector Show. Today is Feature Friday, an add-on supplement for growing your collecting skills through online video. Feature Fridays will focus more on featuring collections, unboxing, reviews, event highlights, and guest interviews. All this is dedicated towards helping you develop a healthy collecting habit and learn how to profit from the latest collecting trends, reviews, and helpful guides. Today is the debut premiere of Feature Friday, and I hope you enjoy watching this as much as you enjoy the bi-weekly main episodes. Rather than cramming everything into one bi-weekly episode, I have staggered some segments into a separate feature of its own. That way, at least you will have something new to look forward to each week. On today's feature, I am going to... wait for it... do an unboxing! Yay! Yes, you heard me right. I have a package received several weeks ago and it's been sitting on my desk collecting dust since. I do have a tendency to overlook packages received, and the last time that I forgot about my package, I opened it 9 months later. If you are expecting a Chris unboxing for today, I am so sorry to disappoint that it's not a Chris, but something closely related to it. Now, before I proceed with the unboxing, I would like to take this opportunity to wish all Muslims celebrating Idul Fitri, Selamat Hari Raya, Maaf Zahir dan Batin. By the time this episode airs, the month of Ramadan would have passed and we will be busy stuffing our face with sumptuous meals and other gastronomical delights. If you are visiting family and relatives, let's not forget that the COVID season is still ongoing. We are not out of the woods yet, so do maintain social distancing and follow the recommended guidelines as suggested by our health ministry. Okay, before I start to ramble away, if we are meeting for the first time, my name is Khairi Johari, better known as Pak Jofe, the Chris Collector from Singapore. Now, without further ado, let's switch perspectives and get on with the unboxing. This package arrived from the UK several weeks back, but due to my busy schedule, it's been left untouched since. In case you are guessing why there's a masking tape across the package, yes, you are absolutely correct. I have my mailing address covered up for privacy reasons. To the sender, if you are watching this, thank you very much, old chap. You know who you are. He is one of my many trusted proxies residing in the UK. He actively sources out interesting and rare finds on my behalf. In this hobby, if you want to be serious in the art of collecting, having a trusted network of proxies helps tremendously. By proxy, it means someone who can act and negotiate on your behalf as if it was you doing the deal personally. Now, this should be an out-of-print book publication. Aside from being an active Chris collector, I am also a bibliophile.
Bibliophile.
If you want to see a list of titles that are in my personal library, check out the show notes below. There you have it, still in a very good condition. Silat Melayu, the Malay Art of Attack and Defense. Authored by Ku Ahmad Ku Mustafa and Wong Kiew Kit. Published in 1978 by Oxford University Press. Wow, this book is about as old as I am. Now, allow me to share a little something about the authors. For those unfamiliar with the authors, these two esteemed gentlemen, Ku Ahmad Ku Mustafa, Wong Kiew Kit, both of them are from Malaysia. Ku Ahmad Ku Mustafa has passed away on September 5th of 2016. That's like 5 years ago today. The name Ku Ahmad Ku Mustafa is synonymous with Malay films here in this region. His lifetime achievements till his passing, he was the chairman and grand master of the Silat Tok Ku organization, the author of this book, Silat Melayu, Malay Art of Attack and Defense. He is also the master of the art of Silat Tomoy, appointed by the Malaysian Ministry of Culture and Tourism to be one of the active committee members of self-defense professionals. And last but not least, he is also the principal consultant and choreographer in countless Malay films involving fight scenes. And he serves as a mentor to many Malay actors of the 70s who are Silat practitioners in real life. Now, that is an impressive lifetime accolade indeed. His co-author, Mr. Wong Kiew Kit, is no less impressive. As of the time of this recording, he is still alive and well. He is the Grand Master of the Shaolin Wahnam Institute. He was awarded Qigong Master of the Year in 1997. He authored numerous books on the subject of Shaolin Kung Fu, Qigong, and Tai Chi. If I am not mistaken, this is his first book he co-authored. Impressive content, I must say. Very nice pictures of silat forms and maneuvers. There's even illustrations of weapon types too. Definitely will need some time to read through this book cover to cover. I'll most likely be doing a separate review of this book at a later date and share my thoughts and findings with all of you soon. Overall, I think this is an expense well spent, definitely a keeper, and a fine addition to my library. We have come to the end of today's feature video. Thank you all for watching till the end. I hope this episode adds value to you and that you have learned something from watching this. I look forward to reading your feedback in the comment section, so please feel free to leave a comment. If you like what you have watched today, please show me your support by clicking the like, subscribe, and bell notification icon. Feature Fridays airs on alternate Fridays at 8 PM Singapore time. Once again, to all Muslims celebrating Idul Fitri celebrations, I wish all of you Selamat Hari Raya, Maaf Zahir dan Batin, go easy on the festivities, keep your mask up, maintain social distancing, and follow the advisory given by our health ministry when visiting your family and relatives. So until the next Feature Friday, stay safe, celebrate Idul Fitri responsibly. This is Khairi Johari, better known as Pak Jofei, the Craze Collector from Singapore, snapping out. See you in my next video. Bye bye.